केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनान देशाचो अर्थसंकल्प सादर केल्या उपरांत GCCIन ह्या बजेटांक येवकार दिला। टॅक्स बेनिफिट, राज्यां खातीर कर, पायाभूत सुविधा, डिस्प्युटेड टॅक्स डिमांडात थकाय हे GCCIन सरकारा मुखार मांडिल्ल्या मुद्द्यांक अर्थसंकल्पात मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या। ह्या बजेटांक आमी येवकार दितात अशें GCCIचो अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास धेंपोन सांगले। जाल्यार फाटल्या 10 वर्सांत केंद्रीय सरकारान बरी कामगिरी केल्ल्या कारणात सरकारान लोकप्रिय गजाली बजेटांत आस्पावन घेवंक ना ही एक बरी गजाल जावन आसा अशें उद्देजक मांगिरीश पै रायकरान सांगले।
I think talking about Goa where we are based, there have been a couple of positive developments in the budget. One is on the tourism sector, where she talked a lot about having innovative centers in tourism. And Goa could definitely take advantage. We have to see what the details of the scheme would be. But she talked about interest-free loans. She talked about attracting business conferences. And Goa, as you know, is already an international brand. And Goa could probably enlarge, taking advantage of this, enlarge its scope of tourism. And I think this is a great opportunity for Goa. She also talked about fisheries, where a lot of people are involved and engaged in fisheries in Goa. We need to look at again the fine print and see what specific schemes for fisheries. But she talked about exports of seafoods getting more traction, and I think seafood exports have already doubled over the last few years. So that could be another big game changer for Goa. There was also mention of state interest-free loans to states by the central government for infrastructure building. I think Goa has already got a lot of benefit of infrastructure building. You can see we've got 2 airports now. We have got 2 railways, Southwestern Railway and Railway, Konkan Railway. So I think if more investment goes into this, we've got a port connectivity. We are talking about multimodal connectivity. So I think Goa can take specific advantage of PM Gati Shakti reform and look at how we could build our infrastructure to be more robust, so that more industry stands to benefit. And so we welcome definitely, because one is the state government is already trying its level best to pitch Goa as a startup destination. And what we heard just from the Honorable FM is that the tax benefits of the startups will continue for another 1 year. So this is a great opportunity for startups. And Goa is liked as a place for them to set up their base here and pursue their businesses.
तातूंतय बी गोंया खातीर जर तुमी पळयशात जाल्यार आमचे कडेन ल्हान ल्हान पळय जे टॅक्स पेयर्स आसा तांकां खुबसो प्रॉब्लेम जातालो, कित्याक तांचे प्रोसेसींग खुबशे उरिल्ले. आनी आमचे कडेन गोंयांत प्रॉब्लेम कित्याक जाता, कित्याक आमकां युनिफॉर्म सिवील कोड आसा. आनी युनिफॉर्म सिवील कोड आशिल्ल्या कारणान हजबंड वायफ तांचे इन्कम आसा तें डिवायड जाता, आनी ताका स्पेशल कॉलम IRSच्या हातूंत ना. आनी ताका लागून खुबशीं लिटिगेशनां जाल्लीं आसा, आनी ती लिटिगेशनां पेंडींग उरिल्लीं आसा. ती आतां ज्या तरेन सांगलां त्या हातूंत म्हाका दिसता ती सोल्युशन मेळपाक एक हेल्प जातलो. आनी आमचे कितलेशेच भाव भयणां जी आसा ती अडकून उरिल्लीं आसा ह्या हाज्या खातीर. ते प्रोसेस म्हाका दिसता मत्स्य उद्योग जो आसा तो मत्स्य उद्योग आमच्या गोंयांत बरोच व्हडलो आसा. आनी ताका लागून आमकां जर नव्यो ह्यो स्किमी मेळत आनी नवें जर डायरेक्शन मेळत, नवे तातूंत इन्सेंटीव मेळत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हाचो गोंयांक खूबच लाव जावंक शकता. तिसरी गोश्ट म्हणजे फूड प्रोसेसिंगाचेंय तांणी म्हणा. आनी गोंय लॉजिस्टीक फूड प्रोसेसिंग लॉजिस्टिकाचे तांणी कॉरिडोर करतले म्हणा. तर ते कॉरिडोर करतले तातूंत जर बेनिफीट गोंयाकूय मेळत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हांगा नव्यो इन्वेस्टमेंट येवपाक फायदो जातलो ताजो. आनी MSME स्पेशली तांकां एन्सिलरी जे आसा तांकां हांगा काम करपाक खूबच सवलत मेळटली.
पर्यटन क्षेत्रात केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामनान बऱ्यो घोशणा केल्यात. केंद्रान घोषित केल्ल्या विशेष निधीचो सरकारान वापर करून घेवचो. लक्षद्वीप सध्या पर्यटन थळ म्हणून बरेच गाजता. ह्या जुव्यांक बंदर जोडणी दिवपाचे अर्थसंकल्पात घोषित जाला, पूण हाचो परिणाम गोंयच्या पर्यटनाचेर जावचो ना अशें TTAGचो अध्यक्ष निलेश शाह हाणें सांगलें. जाल्यार महिला उद्देजक आशा आरोंदेकरान बायलां खातीर घोषित केल्ल्या अर्थसंकल्पीय तरतुदींक येवकार दिला.
Safety angle which the government को खुलेला, and they are talking about increasing the what you call Vande Bharat type of bogies, to 40,000 bogies throughout India. I think with that, I think Goa will benefit because Goa the trains that are, I think the upgradation island automatically will find the tourists preferring and coming traveling, because today the comfort is a major thing which tourists looks at when they want to travel. I think with all those things, I think it's quite positive and it's quite growth-oriented budget. And if only the hope is when there's full-fledged budget, there is some specific for MICE tourism and inbound tourism. Because what we are seeing की पहिला की after COVID अजून foreign tourist जितके जाय तितके आहे ना, and त्यांका specific promotion with help of Indian embassies with the proper promotions and special schemes for the operators. If it comes, I think it can go a long way into the sustainability of overall tourism industry in Goa. But overall, I think this will add more money in the pockets of the Indian tourists. As there are no more taxes, and as economy is growing, definitely people will have more income to spend, and definitely when people have more money to spend, I think tourism is one of the major sector which लोकांक जे spend करतात आवडता. So we overall hope that this industry will, this budget will help overall tourism industry. Absolutely not. These are the new destinations which are coming up, and Lakshadweep पहिले असलेत. It's not that it is all of them. They are trying to upgrade the infrastructure, and I think overall it will help, because what happens especially when foreign tourists comes in, they are looking at 2 or 3 places, and there is a new airline which is likely to come, which they had announced, Flight 91. They were talking direct connectivity from Goa to Lakshadweep. I think if at what comes, that connectivity overall prepares helps the growth of the industry, and I hope in days to come with the Lakshadweep development, the overall tourism sector will become more vibrant and it will help the growth.
नारी शक्ती ह्या बजेटमध्ये त्यांना खूप स्ट्रेस दिला आहे त्याच्यावर, आणि हे जे वॅक्सिन सुरू केलं आहे लहान मुलींसाठी, ते आता मॅन्डेटरी केलं आहे शाळामध्ये कॉलेजमध्ये, तर ते त्यांच्या फ्युचरसाठी बरं आहे. आणि गोवामध्ये आम्ही खूप बायका बिझनेसमध्ये आहे, तर आमच्यासाठी, आणि हे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप पण खूप आहेत गोवामध्ये, 800पर्यंत सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आहेत, तर त्यांना पण ही मुद्रा लिहून घेऊन आणि बिझनेस करून आणि लखपती व्हायला आम्ही त्यांना पुश करणार आहे, आणि नक्की होणार पण आहे. तर ओव्हरऑल एक खूप चांगला बजेट आहे नारी शक्ती आणि महिलांसाठी.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकार.